Ordination. Haria ngahota guteithia bururi uyu, my deputy president ni nga uteithia na kauge gakwa kanini muno. Na andu a class 8 ni twiciragia na ihenya. Na waruguru oigwe hari undu matarakwira kana mweshimiwa wakwa mweshimiwa King'ara oigwe hari undu matarakwira ugoka unjurie tondu andu a 8 ni twiciragia na ihenya muno. No nduria ngwenda gukwira itanathoma speech yakwa, family itu yothe ihaha ni njiaritwo ni andu aria na riria baba na mami makuire ngaadaptwo ni muthuri wi haria witagwo Mr. Kiuna na mutumia wake na ciana ciao no marugame. That is my family. Kuria hanyukaga riria ndaigua ni ngwenda kuona mami, riria ndaigua ni ngwenda kuona baba, nie ngirengera ngona muthuri uria. And God made it happen that my father is Joseph and his name is Joseph. Mbere ya andu acio othe ndarugamia na ndaheithia gitio, I want to tell you, gatagate ga tungatiria riothe mekuheana gitio Mount Kenya, count me number 1. Na nie hana tawe thikagiririo ria andu maroiga. Moiga marenda mutu niguo ndehaga guku. Moiga marenda mahoya nie ngeta Beni agatongoria mahoya ngainithia. Mandehera mwana utari bithi ngatwara cukuru tondu thikagiriria uria maroiga. Na ni uhana ta nie nikio tuhotanaga. Uria andu aya maroiga thikiriria uguo. And my prayer is that as our deputy president and our most senior leader in Mount Kenya, protect the dignity of these people. Don't allow anyone divert you from the Mount Kenya agenda. Na manege no kanjita nie ni mathikagiriria ndauga makire ndiri hinya muingio na family itu ni rona haria uria mutongu bio ni my brother ucio wi mbere na mutumia wake na meng'ombe imwe. Wajetirio kinjira tukarwe na njohi marori maitu meguku ngimekira mbica ciaku na mutumia waku thiururukite ngiraga andu aya tigai njohi ni tukunina ruriri. Majuria ndatumwo nu ngamorotera mbica ihoya riakwa no rimwe ta bishop muthenya wa umuthi wamuritwo atetere andu aya. Hau ukinyeire ndaguthaitha ndugakinyukie. Twitirie indo citu nyihie raini ya mutu haria nja. Twitirie indo citu nyihanyihie ciana iria ndirathomithia guku kanitha-ini na ndugaconoke. Archbishop auga ciugo njega muno haha, mundu hinya wake umaga andu-ini na arugamia tungatiria kwa auga ndina hinya tondu meho. Korwo ndiuma no mwe ingioneka itari hinya, no woneke totari hinya no gukwira ta maandiko uria moigaga in the book of Psalms, aria me mwena waku ona matekwaria ni waige. Icio ngwaragia ta mutungatiri mutongoria njuge mwana witu aheo gitio Mwana witu amenyererwo. Mwana witu athikiririo ni hari na kaundu aroiga. No ngigatindikwo muno. Cokana mucie ni uri kwanyu. This is the Lord's doing. And it is truly marvelous in our eyes. A dream may tarry, but it surely comes to pass. This one has come to pass after a long wait, nights of prayers, days of fasting, and surely our Lord is faithful enough. My journey in serving God hasn't been easy. It has been full of ups and downs, but surely it has been fulfilling. Touching lives through compassion has been my passion and my mission. How I wish that my late mother and my father could be alive today to see me standing before great men of this nation doing what they wanted me to do. But because they are not there, by making them proud, I will serve you people and my nation faithfully. This is a great for more compassion activities which will touch millions. Houses to needy families, a new one about to be completed for the victims of flash floods in my Mahio. This opportunity, the office of the bishop, I'm ready to shelter more people who are in need and fit to be helped by our church. Previously, I have fed thousands of families in my new office of the bishop. I'm ready for the challenge to feed millions, educate thousands of the less fortunate families. As I take my new office, I'm ready to take new challenges in serving God through compassion, new challenges to touch lives, spirituality and physically all over this nation, beyond tribal boundaries, beyond religious boundaries, and beyond any human boundary. And this one, I ask God to help me. My office will be known for no boundaries, no class, no political segmentation, but will give an opportunity to the neediest Kenyans. I'll be a bishop of everyone and of everybody. May God guide me through this as I achieve my compassionate goals, feeding the hungry, housing the homeless, educating the needy, and preaching and spreading the gospel of Jesus Christ to the less fortunate in our nation. Recently, in partnership with our American partners, Partners for Care, we launched a computer school in a very remote village in Marsabit for them to understand what the globe is doing in terms of information technology. Through the partnership of Partners for Care, we launched a fashion school in Mahio, dedicating it to the floods victims. And by this, I shall do more, and the one that is upcoming in Chaka, where our patron comes from. To my JCM fraternity, words are not enough to thank you for supporting my vision and this dream. The ascension from 800 members when we were in Varsity Vile Estate, where we were chased after our third Sunday, hit 1,200 members with less than 3 months. And now, in a year and a half, the main church is hosting more than 10,000 members. And where our smallest branch in Kamwangi has more than 30 members. This true love from you people is overwhelming. Once again, Gai aromurathima. Gai ucio wa deithia aromuteithia. Gai ucio wa cenjia ritwa riakwa umuthi arocenjia ritwa rianyu. Ngai ucio wanjiguĩra tha aromuiguĩra tha. Ngai ucio wanyambararia aromwambararia. Ona kwanyu nĩ kuoywo ũmwe tu atũgĩrio nĩ ũndũ wa mũciĩ ũcio ũngĩ wanyu. To my online church, which has more than 500,000 members, we began it. Where is Mr. Gitonga? Thank you so much, our online patron. Our online chairman, Mr. John. And you have all traveled to come and experience and see what you people began. May God bless you for supporting me, for standing with me all the days of your life. To my pastor, my online pastor, Pastor Francis Moher. You have been a brother whom I requested to come all the way from Qatar so that we serve together in the physical church. You are holding because you have a great future. In every nation that Kenya is represented, may God, the national churches, through